I believe in them 100%.
Yeah.
I saw them years ago and I started using them. I was like, holy shit, it's like a mod. Another 15, 20 horse minimum. I've seen like 30, 35 horse on some cars. This shit plugs it.
Whoa, whoa, First off, we are going to the track on Saturday. It's Tuesday. So we got a few days to put brake pads in the Porsche, get my truck out of here. I actually have to rebuild the winch on that. I can't put the bumper back in until the winch is on, but I did pull the winch apart and the clutch is all sitting here. I need this new piece here. My Mazda Miata, which is not in the garage, needs new wheel bearings. Those come on Thursday, as well as the new clutch end plate for my winch. And today we are going to take this to the shop and get it tuned. So we are gonna bet on how much power it's gonna make.
If you want.
Okay, so Joe's the American car, muscle car guy with multiple nice cars, both Fords. So you're not in the Chevy game, but this is it says it's a 505 horsepower Z06, but it's not. This is a C5 Z06. So I think it made 405 horsepower stock. So what do you think it's making now, just with that lumpy cam? I know you've installed multiple lumpy cams in your cars.
Yeah, I don't know how well these motors respond to mods, but I'm guessing it's gonna make 400 to the wheels.
Once it's tuned, I think it could be. Dude, I have no freaking idea. I don't know these cars. 500 horsepower. I'll say 500 horsepower. That's a lot of power, but
That is a lot of power.
it's not 505 like the C6 Z06. But what do you say?
400 to the wheels.
Okay.
I think it's about 380 to 410, I'm thinking. But if I have to pick a number, I'll say 400.
Okay. All right. So if it's over the number, 500 is a lot.
Yeah.
I already lost $100 on that thing. So
You did.
I only gave you $8 so far. How about I pay you the rest of the $100 if I lose? So my buddy and I got a little bet about what we can make today. So just a little hint, I told you Ryan really wants to make a lot of power. But if you could get 500 plus, that would be great.
As far as we can. I think if you'd be closer to 4, that'd be better. It wasn't tuned before? You didn't do any of it tuned before?
I believe it was tuned before, yeah. I believe it was. But it was tuned, I think, on the West Coast, like out like Florida, Connecticut, Massachusetts, something like that. So they're at sea level. And like I was saying, he lives up at about 7,000, 8,000 feet. So he's going to be driving this at Grand Junction a lot, and it's going to be probably his daily in the summer to just go rip through the mountains up near Vail, right? So we're sitting in Denver here at about 56, 55, 5,600.
About 5,000 DA and above, you usually have to go, I mean, significant more timing below sea level.
Yeah.
And then it takes less fuel to do it, too.
Right.
I raced up Pikes Peak years ago in a car that was just in a, and by the time we get to the top, it was like, it had nothing.
Yeah.
It was like 400 horsepower at base level.
Shows you how much it takes to run a car and get good times at Pikes Peak.
They even try to run stock vehicles because you pretty much need so much fuel you have to run, change so much in tune and everything. Just
I'm gonna give you his name, Ryan. Richards. Put Ryan Little Dicky actually. I think it's a 2004. It's an 03? It's an 03. There you go. Thank you.
Like I said, those brisks are usually like $12 a piece, but they're totally worth it.
And is that going to require a new tune then?
It shouldn't. It should just. I mean, you're on the safer side of being rich, rather than overly lean. If you throw the new plugs at it, it should just pick up like 20 horse.
Wow.
And it's incredible what those plugs do. They burn so much more efficient.
Can I do that in my Porsche, just like without a tune?
Yeah, they do. You have to call Brisk, and they'll cross-reference you a number. I mean, we use them in everything. Like Cody's a distributor too over there.
Yeah.
So get it with him, and he'll get you a set of them, and maybe even an extra set to have a set of spares.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I believe in them 100%.
Yeah.
I saw them years ago, and I started using them. I was like, holy shit, it's like a mod. Throw new plugs in. It's like another 15, 20 horse minimum. I've seen like 30, 35 horse on some cars. Just shit plugs in them. You know?
Ryan's here. He's gonna get a little present.
Nash is here too.
Nash Bob! What's up, guys? How you doing? Oh, there's my Miata.
What did you do to the steering wheel?
What do you mean? What did I do to the steering wheel?
We
Oh, nice!
picked it out.
That's so nice.
We got you a present. Cause I knew you got me a present. You modified my car with an intake, didn't you? Yeah. That was awesome.
Yeah,
I modified Ryan with a new fast, sexy steering wheel.
We figured we had to repay the favor,
That's,
you know.
that's right.
Yeah.
Is it soft?
Yeah, kinda.
I dare you to race with that.
I dare you to race with that. I dare you to race with
dare
that. So let me know how you feel about it on the way back.
I mean,
'cause-
dude, you gotta notice.
I notice.
You notice it.
Oh, I notice.
It's snappier.
Yeah.
Well, and the thing, it's nice to know too that as rich as it must have been running, knowing that we've got it normal, I feel less worried about running it all the time.
I mean, after the first run, he's like, yeah, this thing's running rich.
Yeah, I thought so. But gosh, a 65 horsepower difference from sea level.
Yeah.
Dude, think about how much of a...
That's pretty impressive.
And you're right. I think at the crank that ends up being about 520 horsepower.
It must be.
You're gonna have to move the seat. I drove it last.
Oh,
I had to run to the auto parts store.
Yeah, that wasn't me. That was Joe.
where the fuck is it?
It's on the side.
Yeah, right here. Right there.
Oh, is that it? Oh, this has power seats?
Yeah.
I didn't know that shit. Oh, I was like, what?
It actually, if you click,
that's nice.
if you click the unlock, it should go right back to. I don't know, dude. I don't think your remote works.
It doesn't work. It's never worked.
risky and say it's going to take me less than 20 hours from this point, because I am that confident in my skills. I feel like I'm a competent mechanic.